expressive eyes. I found total compassion for your rare golden heart. I found priceless love in your deep, beautiful soul. I found my other half and a kindred spirit. You are worth the word and my everything. Faithfulness and unending patience, total respect and light-heartedness, active attentiveness and self-improvement, I promise. Your triumphs I'll celebrate, and for your failures, I love you more. Your greatest cheerleader, biggest fan, and partner in crime, I pledge to be. I build a great family with you, the home of patience, love, and understanding. I promise you, I grow gray and old with you. I vow with love. I'll be with you to overcome what may come always, as I give you my life today.
Ay, giliw. Ay, ikaw lang ang aking mamahalay ng buhay. Wala na akong ibang hiling, kundi ikaw. Dahil sa lahat ng pangarap na gusto kong makamit sa buhay, ay ikaw yung pinakapangarap na gusto ko. Hindi, ako masaya lang at ay dinis na kumantong. Ayoko lang habaan dahil wala naman ako ibang sasabihin sa'yo kundi mahal kita at mamahalin kita hanggang gumihinga ako.
What a sweet message coming from our lovely couple here.